That's what I'm saying. Take time.
I don't want to be someone who is a busybody, and I have too many things to do. As I talk to you, the entire Gwe West is under siege. The Fulanis have come and are burning down houses. I was supposed to go there, but I had to shift everything to receive the president. I feel so pained that politics has been taken beyond what it's supposed to be. There is no permanent enemy in politics, no permanent friend. Tomorrow I can be the best friend of Mr. President if they choose to do the right thing. I don't have any problem with the president and vice president, and all the things that I say, they are meant to add value to development and get things right. I have never insulted the president, I have never insulted the vice president, I have never insulted federal government, but there are certain things they are doing which are wrong, which you correct. You recall that even the Decree 10, is it Decree 10 or you call it Executive Order 10? Where have the president in a democratic environment have the right to be issuing decrees? Maybe because he was former military president, he still believes that he'll be issuing decree. He doesn't have the right. How can the president usurp the powers of the National Assembly? These are things I say I criticize, and it's constructive. And today, thank God, I'm vindicated because the Supreme Court have ruled. The president does not have powers to be issuing decrees. He's no longer a military president. He's the president democratically elected by the people. So if he wants anything, he should pass it through the National Assembly. Just like I do when I have anything, I pass it through the State House of Assembly. And it's very unfortunate. This presidency, if I talk now, some people may, but it is barefooted, it's lame dog, and that is why we're having all the insecurity problems in our country today. That is why the economy of this country is going down. How can you bounce a governor in a state where you are? So what is the meaning of that? I feel so pained, and I'm going to report this to the vice president. Well, if they choose to do something, fine. If they don't, it is okay. But that is the kind of thing they want us to remain as a banana republic. We don't have a constitution. Can't you differentiate politics from this thing? Have I insulted the president? Have I insulted the vice president? All that I'm saying is that let the right thing be done. Let there be justice, equity, and fairness. It is unfortunate. I will report this breach to the vice president because it was protocol for me to have gone to receive him and then see him off and receive him to come back. It's really unfortunate. I feel very sorry. And those who are keeping quiet, I tell them, one day they will not be where they are. We must come out together and condemn the evil that is happening in our country. This is not right. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.